Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shruta's Cake Gallery. In today's life, fitness is very important. So that I came up with this super healthy and easy to make recipe which is called as chia seed pudding. To make chia seed pudding, add in a bowl 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 cups that is 120 milliliters of milk, 1 tablespoons of maple syrup and mix it well. Set this mixture in refrigerator for minimum 4 hours. Take a glass or bowl, add some freshly chopped apples in goes 1 teaspoon of honey. Then add chia seed mixture into it. Garnish some more chopped apple and honey. Here it is, your super healthy, easy and delicious apple chia seed pudding is ready to eat. Enjoy.